Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have access and a campaign selected, so start by opening Auction Insights now. Click the row Actions for your chosen campaign or ad group, then choose Auction Insights. Once done, set a relevant date range, last 7, 30, or 90 days, to compare recent performance. Make sure you include the device and search network filters if needed. This first step pulls the competitor snapshot you'll analyze, so verify campaign scope and time window before moving on. Now interpret the metrics. Impression share shows lost opportunity, while overlap rate reveals how often competitors appear with you. Use position above and top of page % to understand placement dynamics. Outranking share tells if your bids or quality lead. Once you segment by device and time, you'll spot where competitors win. Make sure to combine this with your bid and budget data. Why they outrank you might be budget caps, lower quality score, or bid strategy differences. Translate insights into actions. Increase bids where impression share is low, tweak ad copy and landing pages where quality looks weak, and reallocate budget to high-opportunity campaigns. Once changes are live, monitor Auction Insights weekly to measure shifts in overlap and outranking share. If things go wrong, for example data seems missing or metrics don't update, make sure filters and date ranges are correct, and you still have sufficient account access. Resolving those will restore complete competitor visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.